So, Shiroka Laka is towards the down, Grobe, which means burial site for bears. The bears graveyard means actually the bears graveyard. And my perfect Audi A4 driving me towards amazing wilder and wilder places in these Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. Check this wild forest. Although there is an off-road, all around is so wild with fallen trees, flowers and herbs. The very rock of the mountain. Mosses. I love mosses and stones and vegetations around them. And we are almost in the village of Kukuvitsa. I thought that was bear over there. But it's not bear, is it? I think not.